Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Veeam backup logs on a Windows VPS detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Windows VPS. Locate the Veeam backup and replication software on your VPS. Open the application to access the dashboard. Once the dashboard opens, navigate to the backup job section. Find the specific backup job you want to verify. Right-click on that backup job. Select View Backup Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, click on the History tab. Here, you will see a list of recent backup jobs and their statuses. Identify the date and time of the most recent backup you wish to check. Click on that backup entry to view detailed logs. In the Detailed view, examine the summary for any immediate errors or warnings. For more in-depth information, scroll down to check the detailed task log. Each task within the backup will be recorded here. Look for any red-colored entries indicating errors. These entries will provide specific error messages related to any issues. If no errors are found, your backup was successful. Next, check the Statistics tab for insight into backup size and duration. You can also verify the transfer status for data movement metrics. Be sure to look at the restore points to confirm the backups created. If you need further analysis, consider exporting the log file. Select the desired backup log and click on the Export option. Choose a suitable format for the log, such as CSV or PDF. Save the exported log to your preferred location for record keeping. Once you have reviewed all relevant logs, close the Properties window. To monitor ongoing backups, regularly revisit the History tab. Make sure to perform verifications periodically to ensure data integrity. That's how to thoroughly verify Veeam backup logs on your Windows VPS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.